Hello, year 4. This is your arithmetic videos for this week. This week we're going to be looking at multiplication. So I thought it'd be quite good to do a flipped classroom this week with your arithmetic, all about times tables and multiplication facts. Your first slide that you can see up on the screen now is all about the maths vocabulary that we may be using. So multiplication is repeated addition. So if we have a look at 3 times 4, what we're saying is 3 lots of 4. We've got the number 4 and we've got 3 lots of it. So we're going to add 4 to itself 3 times. So 4 plus 4 is 8 plus another 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 is actually equal to 12. Next slide. Not working. There we are. Some of the vocabulary that you will be hearing over the next week or so. So these are different terms that we can use when we want to indicate that we're going to multiply. So we could say times by, we could say lots of. Obviously, we can say multiply. And one that you probably haven't heard of before is the product of. So if I said, what's the product of 7 and 3? All I'm asking you is to multiply 7 by 3. And that would be 21. So the product, if you ever hear that phrase, it's asking you to multiply. So your arithmetic this week is all based around multiplication. So your questions for Monday the 16th are all in the 2 times table. We have 3 times 2, 8 times 2, 9 times 2, 5 times 2, 0 times 2, 12 times 2, 4 times 2, 6 times 2, 11 times 2, and 7 times 2. And what I would like you to do this week with your arithmetic, I should have said this before, is I want you to have a little stopwatch, or if you haven't got a stopwatch, maybe ask someone in your household for a phone which has a stopwatch on it. And I want you to time yourselves in answering these questions. If you can answer all of them within 15, 20 seconds, that's really good. So that's what you're aiming for. To time yourself and then stop and then go through your answers and correct any that you didn't get correct. So again, for the 16th, it's 3 times 2, 8 times 2, 9 times 2, 5 times 2, 0 times 2, 12 times 2, 4 times 2, 6 times 2, 11 times 2, and 7 times 2. For Tuesday, the 17th, again, get your stopwatch at the ready, press go, and then you answer these as quickly as you can. These are division questions. So it's the inverse of multiplication. They are 24 divided by 2, 14 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. Then have 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 0, 16 divided by 2, and 22 divided by 2. For the 18th, we're looking at the 5 times table. So get your stopwatch ready, and off we go. It's 4 times 5, 3 times 5, 9 times 5, 10 times 5, 0 times 5, 8 multiplied by 5, 2 times 5, 11 times 5, 6 times 5, and 7 times 5. And then for Thursday, the 19th, we're going to do the inverse, but still with the 5 multiplication facts. So it's 60 divided by 5, 30 divided by 5, 15 divided by 5, 5 divided by 5, and 25, lots of 5. Then we've got 20 divided by 5, 35 divided by 5, 55 divided by 5, 65 divided by 5, and 10 divided by 5. Sorry, it sounds like I'm saying 5 a lot. It's 5 times table. And then for the last questions for Friday, it's a 10 times table. So we've got 5 questions on multiplication and then 5 questions on division. So it's 10 times 10, 5 times 10, 7 times 10, 9 times 10, and 12 times 10. And then see what these ones are. They're 20 divided by 10, 30 divided by 10, 90 divided by 10, 100 divided by 10, and 40 divided by 10. Like I say, we're doing multiplication over the next few weeks. So we're going to be looking, your arithmetic will be times table. I am in the process of getting some flipped classrooms ready for multiplication tables, tips and tricks for each and every single times table that we do. So look out for them. They'll be coming out very soon. I'm just in the process of finalizing some of them, and then I'm going to be releasing them on a weekly basis. So keep an eye out for them. Good luck with these. Remember to use a stopwatch and time yourselves, and we'll go through the answers with you in class. Good luck.